Alright, so we have new power supply here to put in the PC.
Next level.
Get it out. HX750. There's a weight for that. Right, so that away. So I have the older version of this. It's the old HX. Not the transmission box out, I think it's Gen 2. This is Gen 4 or 5, I'm not sure what I'm now. The box is definitely different to the one I had opened, like basically from here up. So, alright, let's try and figure out how I open this. It's definitely different to what I remember. I think it's this I have to break. I have to break the seal. I can't tell. Oh, here we go. Instruction manuals, which that is big. That is one big book, real big book. Then our cable, which I don't think this is any longer than the old one. Chinese. Yeah, measurement, cable size. Oh, they changed the bag a little bit. I still think that old one felt more premium, but it's just the bag. It doesn't really do anything. Power pins. Yeah, that's the one with the power cap in it. I think it is, looks it. And we have power supply. Now that looks a lot smaller than the other one. Got a single and multiple switch. I think I might leave it on single. I prefer to do that. I think my old one was on single. I haven't got any big system. I haven't got a massive system. It's just a single graphics card, i7, nothing fancy. So I've seen single rail should do the trick. 62.5 amp. This power supply is also platinum rated as well, so it'd be definitely good to see if there's any heat difference. As you can see there. Focuses. There we go. 10-year guarantee also. That's another thing I was after. So my old power supply is more than 7 years old because their old warranty was 7 years. So I've just basically sold that. Well, I'm going to be selling it. I haven't sold it yet. I'm going to be selling my old one, sticking my new one in. That's another 10-year warranty. So whoever buys it, you're going to have a new warranty on it. But if you're doing an Ethereum rig or something like that, then my old power supply would be perfect. These at the moment are currently £119 on Amazon. So grab yourself a bargain when you can. Hi guys, so this isn't my complete order from overclockers, but the majority of it, my new system, is here. Some of it was from Amazon, some of it was from overclockers. So I'm just going to go with some of the bits that I've got in here. I'm going to do an unboxing of them because it's not really necessarily needed. So cardboard. Basically, we have our motherboard, pretty cheap, all through Black Friday, so that's why I ended up with that one because it was much cheaper. 2 lots of G-Skill Trident memory, which is 32 gig there. We have 3 extra fans from the case. I have the IQ 465X RGB case. R9900K, liquid cooler, which is the H150i, RGB strimmer. Some people may think that's a bit silly, but why not? What's in this? Oh, my fan splitters. Another fan splitter on there somewhere. Hard drive, just ran my SSD in here as well, which I had from a little while ago, 1 terabyte. 2080, not TI, just normal 2080. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to be using that HX750 that I had in the last part of the video. I'll integrate my compound in there, then the Grizzly. That's pretty much it. As you can see here is my it's not IQ 465X RGB.